are personal stylist services and how to create them and where to start? Well, since I have been a stylist for the past 15 years, I will tell you exactly what are personal stylist services and exactly how to create them and attract a lot of clients. Hi, my name is Basia and I helped many aspiring stylists in the My Stylist Academy program. If you want to become a stylist, schedule a free discovery call with me and I will link the application in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I post a new video, which is every Monday. Today, we will talk about what are personal stylist services and how to create them from scratch. So let's get started. So let's start with what are a personal stylist services? Well, a personal stylist services are what you offer to your client as a stylist. So as a stylist, you will style your client and you will help them discover their new style, educate them on what works on their body, what doesn't, shop with them, etc. So now in order to start working with your client, you need to structure your services. So let's say that your potential client needs help with shopping and is looking to update their wardrobe. So you can structure a service and call it, let's say, like shopping spree, where you will offer shopping trip for like a limited time with your client and help them pick a new wardrobe. So there are so many services that you can offer. For example, a closet detox or like a closet clean out, shopping spree, vacation packing, like event styling, virtual styling, wedding styling, and so many more. So you have to keep in mind that you are in a service-based industry. So creating your services is the first thing you want to think about. So many personal stylists will have like jazzed up services that they offer. Some of them are really all over the place and some of them have offering like really interesting services. But before you can start creating any services, you have to think about who you want to serve, right? So now imagine that you just created like 10 services, worked hard, you put together like a website, right? And then your client doesn't really need them, they are complicated, your client doesn't really understand what they are getting from you. So in order to avoid all that mess, you have to think about who are you serving, who is your client. Without knowing that, it's really counterproductive to create any services if you really don't know who they are for. So what I would do first is to try to figure out who you want to style. Well, the easiest way is to take like a pen and paper and write it down. So ask yourself a question now, is it a male or female? Do you want to, where do they work? Like, are we married? How old they are? Now, when you complete that exercise, then you really have to think like what your client wants, why they need a stylist, and how you can help them. The best and easiest way to find this out is to really talk to your potential client. So you should ask them a few questions, which are like, what is your goal? What is the type of problem that they have with their wardrobe? And what are their expectations? So now this will be so helpful because instead of coming up with all those jazzed up services and offering them to your client will tell you exactly what they need, and really based on that you can start creating your services. Okay, so imagine that your client will tell you like, I have no idea how to put looks together, I know I like what I like, I know what I don't like, I invested in a great wardrobe, but I have no idea how to style it. Well, what you can do based on that information, what you can do is to create a service and call it, let's say, like style your current wardrobe, right? That's just the title. So where you can go to your client's wardrobe and put together full looks for them. Then you can like take pictures and create like a mood board. So every time your client doesn't know what to wear, they can look at all your looks that you put together inside that mood board and they will know exactly what to wear. So now the most popular services that every stylist is offering are like closet detox and shopping spree. Now some of your clients might want to combine those two services and start with like a closet detox and then do a shopping spree, but that's not always the case. So now some clients might only want to do like, let's say, like a cleaning their closet and help of cleaning their closet, and some of them might only want to hire a stylist to go and shopping with them. So you want to start creating those two services. Now the most important part of creating those offers is that your offer can also include like small little services that will be part of it. It seems a little bit confusing, so let me explain to you further. Okay, so now, for example, during the closet detox, you can do a color analysis, you can do a body shape analysis. So that way your client not only will have a closet full and ready to go looks, but will also understand what colors will look good on them, what type of silhouettes they should invest in. So what you want to do is to think about in your mind, like what are the mini services that you can offer to your client that will be part of that one big offer, like a closet detox or a shopping spree. Well, it comes down again to your client and their goals and what they have a problem with. So like I mentioned before, you can offer, let's say, like a color analysis, analyze their body shape, make a shopping list for all the looks that they need to purchase or replace in their closet. So listing those small like services that will be included in your offer to your client will help you to create like more juicier, services that will be part of your offer. Now, when you will start working with your clients and you will get enough skin in the game and you will know exactly what your client wants from you, you will understand their problems and why they need to hire you in the first place, then you can start thinking about any other just up service. So now let me give you a few ideas for additional services that you can offer to your clients. So let's say you can start with let's say event styling, right? So now your client doesn't really need to attend any red carpet events in order for you to offer those services. Most of your clients will attend, let's say, like weddings, Christmas parties, and any other important events in their life and might need to find a perfect dress or a suit for that occasion. Now, another service that you can add is a virtual styling. Now, the best part of styling clients online is that you can do it from the comfort of your home and style clients from all over the country or even like all over the world. So now you can check out this video in which I explain exactly how to become an online personal stylist, and also this one in which I explain exactly which tools to use in order to style your clients online. So watch it after, okay? Now, another service that you can offer is travel packing. So if you have a client who is, let's say, like a businessman or a woman and is traveling for work, this is a great service for them because you can create and style looks that are ready to go, so your client doesn't have to really worry how to style all their clothes and what to wear while they travel for work. Now, no matter what services you will offer, before you start styling your clients, you have to conduct a consultation, and that will be part of your styling service. So it will be very difficult to start shopping with your client and style them if you don't get to know them first. Again, every service you will conduct and provide for your client will start with a consultation first. So the key to a great consultation is to make sure that you learn about your client's sizes, shopping preferences, lifestyle, style, etc. So before you start offering any services to your client, conduct a consultation first. Now, there are so many different services you can offer and the sky is the limit, but again, think about what your client needs from you, what is their goal and frustrations before you start offering many different services which your client might not want and not need. So it's always a good idea to go back to your client and understand their needs first. So you know exactly what are personal stylist services. Let me know in a comment below which services you want to provide for your clients. Now, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I post a new video, which is every Monday. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next week.